All right, we made it. We're on the lake. Now, this guy told me that this back little like pocket, he said, quote unquote, you're gonna get your money back there. So I don't know if he's trying to throw me off or he's just a really nice guy. He thought that this was against the rules, which I believe it's not because it's connected to the river. It's like literally right next to the ramp. So I'm gonna go back here and give it a go. If I get DQ'd, then I get DQ'd. I doubt that I'm going to, but anyways, I have 2 minutes before it lines in. And let's hope this goes good. I'm gonna grind it out. All we need is 4 fish. 4 fish. I'm not gonna go with the 4 bite thing because every time I say 4 bites, I get 4 bites and don't get them. So we need 4 fish. I don't care if they're 12 and a quarter, 12 barely, or if they're 20. I just want 4 fish. Wish me good luck, and we'll catch you guys at the end of the video. Peace out. Oh god, that guy was not lying. Oh my god. Dude, that guy was not freaking lying. Holy crap, I just caught a giant. Oh my gosh. That is a freaking giant, dude. Okay, well. White spinnerbait, my friend. White spinnerbait. It's probably 18 inches or so. I expect my first one to be this big. Okay, 19 inches, huh? Oh, jeez. It's cold. First fish of the day, 19 incher, baby. That's a freaking giant. That's a good fish. Peace out, guy. Not a giant, but another one. Okay. 15 incher, Another good one. Seems like I tried to buzzbait for a little bit, but I just went back to spinnerbait. As soon as I did, I caught this guy. That's keeper number 2. Okay, maybe this is the area. That guy was not joking around, huh? Okay. I think with the sun coming out, we're gonna start to see a little more success. Well, that guy's not in a good mood. Boat flipped him. We almost have our freaking limit. We were literally worried about getting a limit. Now we're worried about trying to win this thing. Like, dude, like we're catching good quality fish here too. That's the thing. I don't know why. We're probably gonna start putting a clinic on them. I just hope the spinnerbait doesn't break, because I only have one white spinnerbait. I should have freaking made 2 yesterday. I don't know why I didn't. I was literally thinking about that. He's probably 12, I would guess. And a half. $13 3/4, third keeper of the day. We're literally smacking them. I mean, this is pretty crazy. I found this like set of laydowns, and I've caught 2 fish pretty quickly. So, anyways, let's keep going. Don't want to waste too much of this early morning stuff, because who knows, they might fall off towards the end of the day, or if anything, they might freaking, with the sun coming out and it warming up a little bit, they might start heating up. We'll see. Yes! Yes! Okay, I know that's the first time I've ever gotten this excited for a freaking 12-incher, baby. Yes! 12 inches. That is a yes! Look at that. Freaking 12 inches, man. I'm so freaking amped up on a 12-incher. For the first time in my entire life, I am so freaking amped up. 12 inches, brother. That's all I needed. That's what we're talking about. That's what we're freaking talking about, dude. To take it. Okay. All right, ladies and gents. Ow, that hurt. 12.5 inches of monster. Yes, dude. That's what I'm talking about, dude. That is what at first I was like, kind of like, oh, a 12-incher. And then I realized I just finished my limit, and it was worth it to go all the way up this freaking river to get that one bite. Might get more. 12 and a half, baby. That's what we needed. My girlfriend hates when I say baby. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. So I didn't really talk about it at the beginning, but there was 72 anglers. I got 20th place. The goal was really to just get a limit and try and finish in the top 25 for the AOI race, so that I could get into TOC, which I've been working really hard all year for. And I ended up 26th place, which qualifies me for the fish off, which is this next coming Sunday at Lake Kiwi. So I'm a little frustrated because I was so close. I just don't know what I could have done differently this morning. Or the day of the tournament, the morning of the tournament. After about 9 o'clock, I just couldn't catch any more fish in that pocket. I went back there, it was super shallow. The water temp started in the morning, it was 56. And by the time I left out of there, it was like 62. The temperature changed so quickly. But as soon as the sun came out, it's almost like the fish just disappeared. I don't know if they just got inactive or maybe they completely pulled out of there. I don't know if they would have, because I don't know. I guess they could have, but it was like 100 yards away. That there was only one entrance and exit to that pocket. So did they really move 100 yards, or did they tuck into the cover? I tried throwing a jig and stuff around the wood and like flipping into the shadows, but nothing. And so I had to just grind for my last keeper, and he was really small, but I finished my limit. Next week, Lake Kiwi, let's just make it happen. We got to place top 2, and I think there's going to be 5 to 10 anglers at the fish off. So wish me good luck, and thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Peace out.